Welcome to Open Whispers channel. When the secret whispers of a people turns louder and louder and louder, it becomes open whispers. The tyrant knows that his time is up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you, and let's roll.
Of this election. We understand the collation of this election, please. Please, you can't disturb this election.
Yesterday, the security agencies of this country raped our democracy. It was a big shock. I just recovered from it this morning, the disappointment. See, the DSS, the police and the military raped our democracy. It was like a coup by the security agencies of this country. It wasn't an
All right, for more on the developments in Imo State, we're now being joined by the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Samuel Ayaun. Hello, tell us, how did the election go? But from what is being aggregated after polling opened between 8 and 8:30, there isn't so much good news about the exercise in Imo State today. Do you agree?
Well, of course, you've already said it. The exercise in Imo State, the election today was not an election. Rather, it's a war. It's a war because what INEC promised was not what we saw. First of all, we found out that the election started by 10:30. I voted by 10:30, even though there was voters' apathy. But yet, we found out that in the middle of the election, we saw a lot of non-state actors supported by the police cutting away materials from all the polling booths. I give an example. In a place like Olu, local government, 7 wards, the ballot papers materials were cut away and was sent to the house of the traditional ruler called Ezimo, where they started completing. In Unkwere local government, they cut away materials and sent it to one man's house. They go to once or so. In my place, they also went and cutted materials, went to one man called Charles Amadi, and the son was also arrested. The son is a 7-member of the House of Reps. He was arrested and sent to the custody as we speak. The policeman that accompanied them to cut materials was apprehended, beaten to stupor. His arms taken away from him by the restive youths who was resisting the taking away of their materials. The funny part of it is this: in Okiwe zone, there was no election, no result sheets sent to those polling units. But you can see that in most of those result sheets, when there was no accreditation, it's reading 0. You find out that numbers were inflected. Where there was accreditation, you find out that the result uploaded was more than what's accredited. And this is very foul to what INEC said. And to be honest with you, this is no election. It is no election. Even somewhere at Ata in Kedru, a young man was killed. I don't know when election has become a theater war.
It is shameful that the unhealthy INEC refused to realize, ameliorate, or palliate the problems they created in the last presidential and governorship elections. Prepared result sheets manifested even before accreditation took place. The evidence is all over the media. I speak to you It is shameful that this is what our democracy have descended to. INEC have manifested more than ever before that they cannot be trusted, they are biased, they are compromised, and they cannot be a neutral umpire. INEC officials, youth corps members were caught yesterday with prepared result sheets even before the commencement of the processes leading to the election. A youth corps member was caught yesterday with 1 million naira in his bag. Complete 1 million naira with a prepared results already.
Second reason, what is new to say? Nigerians don't react to anything.
Absolutely nothing new to say. The politician should be reminded that a child that dances the surrogate dance should be told that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. We are compiling those that will be held responsible if Nigerian democracy fails. Not just the elites, but the masses that aided and enabled the elites to thwart Nigerian democracy. Nigerian democracy. Nigerian democracy. Goodbye, Nigerian democracy. Goodbye, Nigerian democracy. Goodbye, Nigerian democracy. Thanks for being with us in the arena. Like the famous American writer will always say, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch.